Now I'm gonna put more of this, guys. There's something happening there. So I think our cream is just enough for this big one, so I don't need to make another more there. So after this even all together, because I was going to make just only square for this, to put this in the shop big one, but I don't need to do that because this big one is enough for whole family. Actually, this is like 4 times with this, 2 or 3 times with that square one at least. Actually the cream is just nice, and like 300 ml of thickened cream. It's just good size for this nice size of Pyrex square one. So yeah guys, that's it. You can dust this cacao powder on the top, or you can put cinnamon powder or whatever fancy you. But since I don't have cacao, or I ran out of cacao powder, I also ran out of Milo. So what I do, I just do so creative here. I will not doing the following what really I did though. So what I did is chocolate one. Put the chocolate bar, because I was going to make this peanut butter bar soon, but I'm gonna use the dark chocolate first. The dark chocolate is more healthier, guys, than slightly healthier, way healthier than the normal sugary chocolates, because that's really pure dark chocolate, came from really nice percent of cacao. So yeah, that's it. There you are. So easy making this one. Just gonna get this for presentation. See? There you are. We have a tiramisu, guys. In here, I have to put this overnight in the freezer. So by the time tomorrow, this will be ready to eat, and it's gonna be yummy. So I've got this Nestle Baker's Choice chocolates, delightful dark chocolate. I am going to use that for this. I'm gonna open this now. They're here, so I can just stir them. Oh, good thing I can stir them. Okay. Haha. Actually smell really nice. Smell like real cacao, this dark chocolate. So I've got this, and I'm gonna sprinkle it all over. Why not put it more just for the presentation, guys. There you are. This tiramisu is got a nibble of dark chocolate on the top, which is even tastes tempting. Yeah guys, put more in the corner, and if you got Milo or cacao powder, dust them on the top. But since I don't have any right now, we can use different one. Alright, by all means you can use the Milo or any powder, chocolate powder. There you go. See, mine is really even nice. And add the chocolate on the top. There you go, guys. So I'm so generous with the chocolates. Let's put this in there. Our tiramisu. Wahaha. This is gonna be put in the fridge for at least 24 hours or overnight. And after tomorrow, probably between 6 to 8 hours, let us say, put in the freezer. Yeah, don't need to bake. That's it. That's our tiramisu for tonight, or for today, with the chocolate, dark chocolate nibbles on the top. Oopsie. What I have to do is, I'm going to in here clean. Just excuse for that. Okay. gonna get this clean so I can cover it. And we have this nibble tiramisu, yummy tiramisu. That's finished product homemade, and it tastes really nice. Even the cream. There you go. Cover this and then put this in the freezer. And I'm gonna show you tomorrow what's happening with them. There you go. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode that I show you today. Our homemade, very unique tiramisu, Italian tiramisu. Less egg or no eggs at all, and no need to do baking, just quickly and doing that for a few bit of time, and voila, it's done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Try this in your home. You know the ingredients that I made for this, I'll probably put in the description down below. And yeah, please do subscribe, like in our channel, or even comment down below what you think about this one. Let us hear your thoughts about this one, or share us your thing about this tiramisu. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I hope to see you very, very soon, guys. Bye bye. I'll put the clean now, and then I'm just gonna finish this in the freezer, and let's see tomorrow how this. Hello guys, after we put this together in the freezer last night or yesterday, and a few hours later, probably 10 hours now or so, then I have to open this one. So what's happening in our tiramisu? I can't wait. Here I've got this little cute thing, but before anything else, I have to make a incision, this cute little thing, and I got one here to scoop our cake, and this one when you eat something like you do like that, this pork. Show you how. And I've got these 2 plates here, lovely plates, very nice plates. Show you the plates, guys. See, that's the new one. First they got tagged, so they are the Corel one, so I just bought it for the presentation. Alright, so let's start to dig this one like I show you. Get this incision here. See, the chocolate is frozen. Yummy. And this in the middle. Wow. So it's settled, huh? Camera is in the right side, so I make that here. Hope you see what I'm doing. There you go. It's gonna have some tiramisu. Wow, I cut big one, did I? Okay, let's see what's gonna be here. We'll get some plate so I can scoop this out. I'm using this. Wow, I do actually love this one. Look at that. So nice. This one here. Wow, guys, look at this tiramisu that we have. There you are. See, let's try it. And I got this little fork here. Whether you use that one or the other one. There you go. Alright. Put overnight in the freezer. Here. See in the, as you can see here, This one is nice and fluffy. Wow. Very nice. Very nice, guys. I got this another light white cream. You can use this as well. I guess if you use the vanilla flavored coffee, and of course it look lighter one than it used to be. So it's gonna shake this whip, and we have to like that on the top. There you go. Our tiramisu with light whipped cream on the top. Bon appetit, guys. This one. Oh, I just put this right there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, everybody. These are our tiramisu now, and I really wait to try it. The dinner is a dessert. Very nice. Yum yum. Sarap. So yummy. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoy my tiramisu that I show you right here right now. Yeah, try. If you want a lighter tiramisu making, of course you can make. If you want a really black coffee, of course you tiramisu. Right, let's dig in. So fancy. I love it. It's not sickly sweet, it's just fine. That's it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tiramisu that we're making tonight for yesterday. And the rest, we're gonna put this in the freezer because when my darling arrived, I'm gonna share this to him. Actually, this is his idea in making the tiramisu, so yeah, he's gonna surprise that soon. So yummy. The cream on the top. Enjoy, guys. Hope to see you very soon. If you try this at home, I'm for sure you're gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Thank you, guys. Subscribe, like to our channel if you want more videos or you notified our new updates coming. Thank you so much, guys. Cheers. Bye bye.